Hello guys, after being in the house for on lockdown for almost 3 weeks, you come outside and spring is here. You have flowers on the tree. Spring is here. Spring is here. Oh my god, everything looks like brand new. Everything looks like brand new. I'm so happy to step outside. I'm so happy. Leaves on the trees, flowers everywhere. Feels so good. That feels so good. Anyway, I'm just going to run some errands and go back home. We take turns normally to be my husband. Look, the cherry tree with blossom. So behind me. Bad lighting. Normally my husband will run the errands, but I need to leave the house other than to go and take Ola outside. I need to leave the house. I need to leave the house. Oh, it feels so good, the sun. Oh, it feels so good. Anyway, I'm going to do my errands. I'm going to run my errands. I'm going to the post office. I'm going to the pharmacy. And I'm going to make a stop to the supermarket. It's not very far from home, maybe 10-20 minutes by foot. So it's not very far. But just to exercise my legs a little bit and get out the freaking house. Where? Oh my god, this place is like a ghost town. Nobody. It's like a movie. Everybody you pass on the street in their vehicle. Not many vehicles, but everybody with mask. You can't see nobody if you don't recognize them by just the eyes up. Nobody. It's like a freaking ghost town. You know, the first time I've been in this place, and it's like this, huh? Oh my god. So I'm in the supermarket empty. I'm here to get this. Not even if one pack can do it. I'm here to get a big stock. So now, this is just a mini market. And the shelves are empty. Bonjour. Merci. Au revoir, bonne journée. This thing is freaking scary. They're washing the streets. C'est pas Madame Chantal, ça. Oh, what else did I want? Trust me, this coronavirus, I hate you. And I pray that you go back to the pit of hell where you're coming from, along with the rest of demons in this world. I hate you, coronavirus. I hate you. I absolutely hate you. You can't do no transaction, you can't do no business, nothing whatsoever with this friggin' virus. Yes. I live in a small village, but there's a bank, there's 2 police stations here, there's the post office, there's supermarket, high school, two primary schools, two maternelle. And when I go to the Western Union, I go to the post office to do a transaction. They're going to tell me that no, they can't do it because of this crazy shit coronavirus. Is this possible? And I'm not sure if I can do the Western Union. Oh, they said that half online. But I need to do something. I need to do something. Oh, I need to do something. This is crazy. Makes me want to cry now. Huh? Pretty. Spring is here. It's so pretty. It's so pretty. I better take them distance. Huh? Take her out of that distance. With this thing, feel like me stifle underneath it. I'm going back home now. And now the birds come out to school again. You can hear the birds, the water. It's so quiet here.